In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use automation in Trello to save time, reduce manual work, and keep your boards running smoothly without constant updates. If you've ever wished Trello could automatically move, update, or archive cards for you, this is exactly what automation is built for. I'll walk you step by step through creating a simple rule so that whenever you mark a card as complete, it automatically gets archived. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll see your workspace with all your boards displayed. Automation works at the board level, so the next step is to click on the specific board where you want to add automation. After opening your chosen board, look toward the top right area of the board menu and click on the Automation button. Trello's automation feature is powered by Butler, which allows you to create rules, buttons, and scheduled commands without needing any coding experience. Once the automation panel opens, click on Rules. Rules allow you to create when this happens, then do that style automations. This is perfect for repetitive workflows. Now click on Create Automation. You'll be taken to a rule builder where you define a trigger and an action. Every automation starts with a trigger, which is the event that tells Trello when to run the rule. Click on plus Add Trigger. For this example, we're going to create a rule based on card changes. Select Card Changes and then choose the trigger that says when the card is marked as complete by me. This means the automation will only run when you personally mark a card complete. Once you've selected the trigger, click the plus sign next to it to add an action. The action is what Trello will do automatically after the trigger happens. Now choose the action you want to happen. In this example, select Archive the card. What this will do is automatically remove the card from the list and send it to the archive as soon as it's marked complete. This keeps your board clean and focused without you having to manually archive finished tasks. After selecting your action, review the rule carefully. Make sure the trigger says when the card is marked as complete by you, and the action says Archive the card. If everything looks correct, click Save. Your automation is now active. Go ahead and close the automation window. From this point forward, every time you complete a card on this board, Trello will automatically archive it. No extra clicks, no manual cleanup. This is a simple example, but you can build much more advanced workflows. You can automatically move cards to different lists, assign members, add due dates, post comments, or even trigger multiple actions from a single event. Automation is powerful because it eliminates repetitive tasks and ensures consistency across your workflow. Whether you're managing personal tasks, a content calendar, client projects, or a team workflow, setting up the right rules can save hours over time. I recommend starting with small automations like this one and gradually building more complex rules as you get comfortable with how triggers and actions work together. If you found this video helpful and want to see more Trello tips and productivity tutorials, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and keeps you updated with new guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.